feel a little. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing frozen taquitos from Monterey on the Traeger Grill. I know, it's not some extravagant, but it's perfect for the kids. They'll love it, and you guys will love it too. Perfect appetizers. So that being said, let's fire up that Traeger. All right, the Traeger's ready to put up the temp, and we're going to go to 325. We'll be back. All right, guys, our Traeger's up the temp, 325. And I'm gonna put these. They're almost frozen because they've been out here waiting. So, bam, just like that. That's how we're gonna put them in there. We'll be back in about 15 minutes to check and see where we're at. All right, we're back, and it's been 15 minutes. And they're getting there. They feel a little crisp on them. So I would say another 5 minutes. So it'll be 20 minutes total. All right, guys, we're back, and it's been 5 minutes. And these guys look like they're ready. So let's go ahead and take them out.
See the cheese coming out.
Man, they smell good too. Ooh. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, we're back, and we have here the taquitos are ready. They smell good, and you have that little bit of that smoke, hint of that smoke in there too. So 20 minutes total, not bad. Pretty damn good. Now you can add some sour cream, a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of salsa, all that great stuff that I have. I'm gonna go see if I have some in the fridge. These are also perfect for an appetizer. Oh, these for an appetizer, you cut them in pieces, put a little toothpicks in them. Hey, that works. Ooh, hot. So, these were not all the way fully frozen. No, I took them out the freezer. They were setting for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes before I put them in there. So, keep an eye on them. If yours are thawed out and not frozen at all, it might take a little bit less time than what these did. Fully frozen, it might take a little bit more time. So just keep an eye on them. You'll see when the cheese start coming out. That's good to go. But man, all right, definitely be trying this for one of these football parties. Yeah. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like. Check out these videos. Blackstone Traeger. You guys will not be disappointed. And I see you guys next time.